Today I am testing the brakes on my A2. Front brakes are new, exchanged 1 week ago for the Fabi Bilstein standard ones, aftermarket, and my altitude was 1,800 meters before moment, and now I'm driving down using maximum engine braking, first gear or second gear, and air conditioning on. So let's see how long it will take before I totally cook them. First gear and still getting faster. Now it holds the speed. So it looks like the brake pedal, brake pedal is not used. Maybe before for the turnings. So brakes should be cool. If using engine braking. My fuel consumption around this trip is around 6 liters per 100 kilometers, just because each 100 or 200 meters I must stop and making photographs of this landscape and everything around there.
Molto presente proprio in questi anni.
Assolutamente, sì, sì, l'approccio reale è un presentismo che non è sempre un concetto negativo che cancella la continuità e i tempi lunghi del passato, è un presentismo nel fatto che tutti i tempi della storia sono ricordati principalmente.
Si diceva che siamo sempre più alfabetici storici, sotto forma di storie in fondo, presentate in modo accattivante, con una buona narrazione. Per me sta la differenza rispetto alla diffusione di una storia di qualche decennio fa.
Still switching between first and second gear. Now I'm going second. Very interesting thing is that engine temperature is still 90 degrees. So this is maybe because of gear shifting and equalizing of the RPMs of the shaft in the gearbox and in engine. Second gear. Air conditioning makes maybe 12 degrees Celsius now. Maybe it is good to turn the defrosting on also and all electric equipment on, but I didn't done it because I think it's not necessary. .40 kilometers per hour, second gear, and we are go. Maybe after the tunnel pass through I will check that, or maybe here, better here. So you can feel the heat, but it actually does not smell yet. So now there is some long tunnel digged straight into the rock. You can see it is only covered with the thin layer of the concrete. I can turn air conditioning off because this glide slope is not so bad. It's very interesting here. Interesting place to be. Look at that length of the tunnel. Maybe 1.2 kilometers according these markings on the side of the tunnel. Engine braking, fourth gear. I will turn off the radio. It's making noise. Also I will turn down the ventilator, heating fan, air conditioning fan. So we can turn off the main lights, high beam. It's very easy to overheat the brakes in the hilly landscape like this, so it's very appreciated very good to use the engine brake. Maybe possibly it is the only chance how to not oil the brake fluid in the calipers and overheat the brake discs. I will measure the altitude down on the main road and maybe later I will compute the energy which could be taken back if I had some kind of recuperation braking and the mild hybrid system which I'm planning to implement into this car, but I'm actually not sure if it will be efficient enough or if it will pay off to do so, because the added weight, and for longer trips it's not possible to use it, at least because you are simply not using the engine brake on the long ways or when you're traveling for long distances on the highway. It's simply not needed. So second gear, air conditioning on, slightly getting more speed, 55 kilometers per hour. I think the speed is enough to get enough of the cooling air to the brake calipers and discs, so I'm driving without problems. More than 3000 RPMs now, 50 kilometers per hour.